How to recover your Valorant account without an email. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video, so let's just hop onto it. So first you need to go to this website, supportvalorant.com. I will be providing you this link in the description below. Just copy it and you will be taken to this page. So what you want to do is that you're gonna come to account recovery tool and scroll down. Here you will see account recovery. You just need to click on this red button, begin account recovery, and you will see these instructions. So you're gonna provide at least one of these two. So I'll just write my username, and it has asked me if you have played League of Legends on this account. So yes, and my date of birth. Now after this, click on next, and now it will ask email associated with this account. Just gonna type your email if you have access to it or not, and if you don't have access to that email, you can also write the email that you have access to, and you just gonna provide these in on-screen instructions and click on next. So after that, you need to type the email where they can reach you. So write the email that you have access on and you click on next. So if this doesn't work, you can always click on submit a ticket. At the bottom you can see it's in a red font and it's a link. Click on submit a ticket and you will be taken to a whole new page like this. At the top it has submit a request, and follow these on-screen instructions. Choose a request type, recover my account, your email address, your platform, and your region. How did you lose your access? You can choose any of these and type your username, your summoner name, your everything here, and click on submit, and this will be sent to a Valorant server, and you can then follow their instructions from your email. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.